Hey, hi guys, Anirban here. Welcome to my new blog. We are planning to go for Kedarkanta trek, and today I'm going to show you what all things to carry for the trek. This is a winter trek. We are starting tomorrow for Delhi. We have a flight to Delhi. So I'm going to show you quickly what all key things to carry for the trek. Okay, to start with, first of all, from the clothing point of view, okay, we need to carry warm body warmers. These are, I have two sets of body warmer, two full sleeves t-shirts, okay, a sweater. This is my third layer. So starting with the body warmer, the t-shirts on the top, the sweater, then fleece on top of the sweater. Okay, we are also going to wear the fifth layer, which is the jacket here. Okay, in case this is a bit heavy jacket to carry, so you can also take a down jacket, the feather light jacket you will get from Decathlon. I'll post the link in my description below. Okay, now coming to the trousers, we have thermal trousers for the lowers. Okay, we also have here a dry fit trouser, two pairs. I recommend, just in case one of the pair gets torn, better to carry two pair of trousers, dry fit one again. For sometimes in the winter there is snow or rain, you never know the weather in the Himalayas, so always carry a raincoat and a trouser or a poncho, which is also going to do good. Okay, in terms of fleece, please carry a woolen gloves and a regular waterproof gloves for sure. This is very much required for winter trek. Socks, woolen socks for sure required, one for every 2 days of the trek. Undergarments, no need to mention about this. Woolen cap, regular beanie cap, in case this is required only in case of summer. I'm also carrying this ear wraps. Okay, when it's very windy, this becomes very helpful. And a neck cover. This is very nice, very useful. It covers your nostrils and your ears also when it's quite windy. Okay, here we have also a regular cap for the sun. Okay, and towel for sure. This is very much required. A lightweight will do, don't carry very heavy stuff. Okay, when it comes to the food, carry two bottles. I'm carrying a regular lightweight aluminum bottle, okay, from Decathlon Qty brand. Okay, and I'm carrying a Milton thermos because we don't know the weather, we may get hot water for the night, so it's very useful. Always carry a lunch box. Okay, lightweight, like a tiffin box, and a cup for soup and tea, and a plate. Okay, I'm carrying this additional, like a tiffin box, to carry my dry fruits. Okay, now trekking poles, for sure you require one pair. Need not necessarily be two pair. I'm carrying a Coleman pole. It's very nice one. Okay, and it's very nice. Okay, next what I'm gonna show is the shoes. For sure, winter trekking shoes, very much required. I'm having a North Face shoes. I'm using it for last 3-4 years. Very nice, rugged one. You can see it's very good. A pair of extra slippers, very much necessarily. the rucksack. This is a 50-liter rucksack. The 50-liter rucksack recommended for like a 4 to 5 day trek. It has outer pouch, a middle pouch, and the main pouch here, and side pockets of course on both the sides, and there is a rain cover on the bottom, and has a quick zip pocket on the top to carry some quick items. Okay, and just to add, I am carrying few carabiners so I can hang few things like my shoes or my jacket or whatever I want on my bag. It become very useful, even the water bottles. Now coming to the toiletries, okay, I'm tissue paper very much required, wet wipes, okay, sunscreen, roll on, small deo, cold cream, very much necessary, a woolen, kerosene, Vicks, Vaseline, Eno, O2 for stomach upset, and electrol water, and face wash, okay, lip balm, small soap, toothpaste, razor, comb, very light packet, very light one. Okay, now coming to the food. Okay, here we have some kaju I am carrying, some dried amla, nuts, and then a protein bar and some chewing gum just for time pass. Okay, coming to the electronics now, electronic segment, what we have is of course the mobile phone, and I'm also carrying a mobile waterproof pouch, power bank, very much necessary, headphones for listening to music. I loaded some good songs on my phone. Sunglasses, very important, it need to be category 3, okay, so that you don't get snow blindness. It's very important. I'm carrying a small post-it notes, may be useful, I don't know, just carrying it for fun sake. Of course, Ganpati Bappa here. For others, this is the Hindu god, elephant head god. What next? We have now my GoPro here. On the GoPro, I have a GoPro Hero 4. I'm recording right now on GoPro Hero 8. Some additional accessories of GoPro as you may require. Okay, extra memory cards, a mini tripod, very useful, and what else we have? A headlamp is very much required. Okay, so these are all the key things. Just let me check if I missed out on anything here. And of course you can carry some extra photographs of your friends and family, some notes, novel for reading books, or good music, good movie, whatever you like. I'm also carrying a extra packet on the top, and some of course extra plastic bags to collect your waste item. We don't want to pollute the Himalayas with our civilized waste. Okay, so that's it from my side. These are the things we need to, I feel, are essential. I tried to cover as much as I can. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. One last shot for you guys to see.